Hey there everybody, Tom Torres here, your Get Bar president. Here with Will Veliz. He is our governmental affair chairperson. He's got some real important information that he wants to share. So Will, take it away.
Yes guys, it's very important. We need you guys to mobilize and get ready to call for action. At the end of July, the National Flood Insurance Program is set to expire, and we all know that it's crucial to this country and to our clients and property rights as well. If it does expire, it could affect 5 million homes across the country, as well as up to 40,000 transactions a month. So we need you to click the link below for the call to action. We also need you to let your Congress member know that this is important and that we need reform. Reform to include to allow consumers to privately pick their flood insurance, as well for more accurate flood maps to better accurately depict flood areas throughout the country. So let's do what we do best. Let's mobilize, let's get this reformed, and let's speak with our Congress members to get this done.
Click it, just click it guys.